Are you ready to grow your own fresh and nutritious spinach right at home? Well, in this video, I'll show you everything you need to know to successfully grow spinach in your garden in a small space. Let's get started. Hello everybody, warm welcome back to the channel. I'm super excited for today's video because I will be showing you how I successfully grew spinach all the way from seeds to harvest in a small space in my garden. So the first thing that I did was I prepared the bed. I added some compost to the bed and then I aerated the bed. Spinach requires a well-draining soil to ensure healthy growth. Now, because I was growing the spinach in a small space, I decided to do this, create little rows very close together so that I could grow a lot of spinach. So this is a tip for you. If you have a small space, try this technique and you'll be able to grow a lot of spinach. Now it's time to plant our spinach seeds. If you want to know the type of seeds that I use, check the description box. So I simply sprinkle the seeds evenly over the soil surface in the rows that I had created. And then I lightly press them into the soil. Guys, spinach seeds don't need to be buried too deep. A shallow covering would do just fine. So after planting the seeds, what I did was I watered the seeds. You want to give it a gentle water to make sure that the soil is moist. Be careful not to overwater as the spinach seeds can rot if the soil is too soggy. So 1 week later, this is how the spinach seedlings are looking like. As your spinach seedlings emerge, make sure they receive plenty of sunlight, about 6 to 8 hours per day. You want to keep an eye on your spinach plants and water them regularly, especially during dry spells. Also, be sure to weed. If there's weed, make sure you pull out the weed. And if your plants need fertilization, go ahead and fertilize. I didn't need to fertilize because I had worked on my soil. So these are our spinach plants about 5 weeks into the growth season. I started the seeds, I want to say around early December, and this was in January. So 8 weeks later, my spinach plants were ready for harvesting. So you harvest when the leaves reach a size that you desire. Enjoying the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Today's shout out goes to @Solen3yon Gueltas274 who is watching from France. Thank you so much for enjoying my videos. Please let me know where you're watching from so I can give you a shout out in the next video. As you can see, I am harvesting by just pulling the entire plant off the earth. You don't have to do that. You can use a pair of scissors to cut the spinach so that it can grow again. I wanted to use this space to grow something else. That is why I just got rid of the spinach. My people, there you have it. Fresh, homegrown spinach ready to be enjoyed in salads, in smoothies, and in cooked dishes. Guys, growing your own spinach is not only rewarding, but it ensures you have a constant supply of nutrient-rich greens at your fingertips. Thank you so much for joining me on this spinach growing adventure. If you found this video useful, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more gardening tips and tricks. Until next time, happy gardening, happy growing, grow a garden, because when you grow a garden, you grow health. Bye everyone.